Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to print from Evernote. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Evernote app on your computer and log in with your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in and the app loads, direct your attention to the left sidebar of the screen. You'll see several navigation options there, and you need to click on Notes. This will display all your stored notes in the application, making it easy to locate the specific one you want to print. Now, in the left panel where all your notes are listed, browse through and click on the note you want to print. This will open the full note content in the main viewing area of the app. Take a moment to review the note and make sure it's the correct one you want to print, as this ensures you don't waste paper or ink on the wrong document. Once you have the note open, look toward the upper right corner of the screen. You'll notice an icon with 3 dotted lines, which is the menu button for additional options. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various actions you can perform on this note. From the list of options that appears, select Print. This will open the Print dialog window where you can configure your printing preferences. In the Print dialog that appears, navigate to the Destination section on the right panel. You'll see a drop-down menu beside it. Click on this drop-down menu to view all available printing destinations. From the list that appears, select your preferred destination. This could be a physical printer connected to your computer or another output option depending on your setup. Below the destination settings, you'll find an option to choose which pages to print. Here you can select whether you want to print all pages of the note or specify a custom range. If you only need certain pages, the custom option lets you enter specific page numbers, which is useful for longer notes where you might only need particular sections. Just below that, you'll see the orientation settings. Click on the option that allows you to select whether you want your note printed in portrait or landscape mode. Portrait mode is typically better for standard documents, while landscape works well for notes with wide tables or images. Choose the orientation that best suits the layout of your note. Finally, once you've configured all your printing preferences, click the Print button located in the bottom right corner of the dialog window. Your note will now be sent to your selected printer and the printing process will begin. You've now successfully configured and printed your Evernote note with your preferred settings. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.